Guys, I haven't seen Angel Falls yet, but I would love to consider this as the tallest in the world for a time being. It's massive, guys, very tall. Ooh.
Hold on a second. This isn't the story about the waterfall. This is the place where it all began for me. And it's still my favorite. Want to know why? For obvious reasons. First, I was born here, right in the middle of nature. And this place, this is where I first felt inspired to become a content creator. It made me want to show you just how beautiful the world can be. And when I was a kid, I'd sneak out of the house just to visit the most beautiful spot around here. Wanna know where it is?
So there are 3 waterfalls in this area, out of which we have seen 2 of them. Last year we attempted to reach the 3rd one, but the trail was a bit tricky, so we ended up losing our way. We had to come back. This year we are trying it again. Let's see if we succeed. So we have just started. This is the road, and seems there's no trail. Okay. So why we have a better chance this time is because हामीसँग चाहिँ हुनुहुन्छ Srihanna, the pathfinder. I think given up already. हिँडेको छैन.
I can hear the sound.
Yeah, it's somewhere there, right?
Yeah. We've lost the energy. Very short.
This better be worth it, man.
I don't understand what's the point of me holding this, you know.
There you go.
I'm not cutting anything.
Wait.
Ooh,
Cut the go. हाम्रो pathfinder. आजको.
Ooh.
Right there. It's right there. You can see the waterfall there if you can just zoom it. Yeah, there. Wow, man, it's massive. I mean, it's not that far, but it's taking a lot of time because I think this trail was not taken by for a long time. I think last time when Srihanna came to this place, he was not married, and now he has a 10-year-old kid. So it's been, I think, 10 to 11 10 to 11 years for Srihanna, and of course it's first time for me and Srihanna, and it's beauty, man. It's beautiful. It's what that what.
It goes round and round in circles, but I'm still on the ground. It's a dizzying day. I would give love to get away. It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me? Or just sit beside me and never leave?
कस्तो लाग्यो त? दामी छ? जग्गा फल्स रहेछ? अब नेक्स्ट फल्स है?
Let's
go! So guys, we are on the way to the second waterfall, probably the favorite one. So what's the name of the waterfall?
Srihanna.
No. Pwede ba pugsa? Ay?
I actually learned how to swim right here.
Is it?
Yeah. As a kid, I used to sneak out of the house and come here and swim.
Cool, man. It's a really cool place to swim.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
You know, it's not just the waterfall that makes this place special. It's something much deeper. It's the bond we share with the people close to us that truly makes these moments beautiful. I honestly can't even remember the last time I spent real time with my brother. Growing up, he always looked out for me. I still remember how back in the hostel the warden would give him some money for running errands. And what would he do with it? Buy me chips. Because I'd be standing in front of the canteen, eyes glued to the snacks, every single time. But now, life happened. We both have our own paths, our own lives, and it's so easy to drift apart without even realizing it. But days like this, days where we are together, remind me of something so important. How vital it is to keep those bonds alive with the people who matter, especially family.
Hey guys, unfortunately it started raining, so we'll have to cancel our plan. We won't be able to make it to the last waterfall today. So yeah, that's it for today. See you all next time.